Okay, we have this giant 80-gallon deck box, which is, oh, this is my thigh height right here. If you can see right there's my thigh height, and it's probably about, I don't know what, 2.5, not quite 3 feet across by 3 feet wide. Just see how much stuff. I mean, it's not even close to full, and we've got all these things we can put out here, and like when it gets windy and dusty and blowy and rainy and all that stuff, we can just put our entire everything on our deck, all of our cushions and the dog bed and the dog cushions and all the cushions from all of our chairs, and everything can go into this. I mean, that's not even everything yet. We've still got other stuff out here on the deck that can go in there and stuff. But and then what we do is we kind of use it as a side table next to our chairs here and stuff, so that we can put stuff on it when we're sitting here. Use it as like a little side table, and then it's storage also. So like, how about that? We got like all of our stuff in there. So yeah, it ends up being really super duper handy, and it's so big. And it has a little latch spot here if you want to lock it down. There's a little loop there you can put a little padlock through if you want. A giant, huge, and they sent this to us so we could show it to you, but like, it has been so convenient here on the deck because we can put almost everything that's fabric on the deck into the deck box to protect it when it gets dusty or rainy or whatever. Of course, we have a cover over the top of the deck here for rain, but like when it blows in from the sides and stuff, it will get our cushions and stuff on along the edges. It'll get it damp and wet and stuff. So anyway, super nice, super handy, and we're super excited to have it. And I mean, it still has room left over. Even I mean, there's a couple things we don't have in here yet, but I mean, there's so much room in there. So super excited. Thanks for sending that.